see the video,
we're going to be unboxing a GoPro. I guess it's a knockoff of a GoPro that we ordered online from Tophatter.com. And as some of you know, I'm starting to make YouTube videos and I want a better quality camera so that we can go and review parks together. And I've got some craft shows that I want to start covering and getting video of, and so I needed to make sure that I had a good quality camera, so I ordered one from Tophatter to try and get a deal. We used Tophatter before I had read the reviews, and I'm nervous because I have no idea what the quality is going to be like. So we are going to open it now. So first it came pretty quick, but the box is a little bit bent right here, so we'll see what it looks like. I'm excited!
Where's the scissors?
You know what? I think this one's easy open, so I don't think I'll need to worry about it. So there's, are you?
Where's the baby?
She's over there. There's bubble wrap, so let's see. Okay, so the box is a little bit damaged, but so far looking good. We weren't sure if it was just going to be a case, but it looks like it's a camera. Waterproof to, let's see, up to 30 meters. Let's see.
It's a camera?
Cam. Yeah, but it doesn't have like a brand on here. Or maybe it's sports brand. I'm not sure.
Oh, you can put it on your helmet.
Mm-hmm. It's got a helmet mount.
Can I put it on my helmet? And is it recording? Can it record?
It does record. I have to pull it out. So it came with some hardware. And then here's the camera.
Can I look? Oh.
So it looks pretty decent. Let's see if this opens. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, so this must be the waterproof case. Okay, cool. So this is the little camera itself. Let's see if there's any battery. Might not be charged. Oh, no, it turned on. There's not much power.
Charge it.
I will charge it. I just need to find out what kind. So micro SDH card. On. On. There's a little cute little song. And let's see.
Just lay it down.
Brandon. Record.
Up there. Can you video me?
I am videoing you.
I'm going.
So, the video quality is not so great. There are some features that I like. There's a voice recorder, which just records audio. So let's see. Just records talking, la la la. Say something.
Hey.
Hey. Then there is the video. Wasn't there? Oh, and then the camera mode. Oh. Camera mode. Say cheese.
Cheese! Brandon, get down!
Oh, makes you grumpy.
Can I take a picture of the dog?
Sure. So, long story short, not worth the money. I'd rather. Sure. I'd rather spend the money on something different. I think it was $25 or so that we paid in total for shipping, and it was a waste. So this, I'm probably just gonna maybe give to the kids or something. It's not worth it. So yeah, won't be using that camera. I'll have to figure out a different way. So thanks for watching. You can say bye or say see you later.
See you later, guys. I want to say something.
Okay, what do you want to say?
If you want to see more of her videos, you should go to my mom's research.
To my what?
Your research.
To my research?
You research some stuff.
Okay, they could probably just go to my channel.
Mhm.
Or my Facebook page.
Mhm.